Ka m gaa meeting ụmụnna ana m abịa. Ịghọtago? Bobrisky. Kedu ka a ga-eche ya nọ n'obodo? Anyị eme ala ahụ. Mmadụ dịka Bobrisky ọ gaghị eme exist. Kedu ka a ga-eche gọọmenti nwere law eme ala ahụ? This man turn onwe to woman na-akpọ Bobrisky ọ na-eme exist. Or they destroy our culture and religion. Or not motivate all these young boys that now the only way to make money easy. It on work to wine. The only way to make money so easy. It on yourself to a woman. You want to go? And this girl, this man has been doing this for so long. And what any government official, Patarase, Bobrisky should be arrested. That shows that that guy with anything common with the government officials, with the politicians. That Bobrisky when something the common. Ojinaga, melo ojikuru shikere me ho na-eme. Kire this video na ka efo ebe nwoke na-edina nwoke ibe. Bobrisky tejere onwe to nwanyị ka ige efo.
This was from 2020. Oh. Sure, you see the way man take the rubber. Man, the rubber, abi. Police, now know they see him. It dey constitution, oh. It dey constitution. We on gas. We on the see him, oh. I want to know who is protecting Bobrisky in this country. And you people tell me that's number one. Number two, play number two for me. Wow. Who be woman there? Because last I checked, two of them are man. It even robust in beers. It dey touch in beers. They touch in beers. They even kiss. They even kiss for the video. Do you understand? Before I go far, I don't want to go far. You understand? More evidence is still there. Your people have to tell me if the law is for only the poor people. And who is backing Bobrisky, I want to know. Do you understand? Because you people are deliberately turning blind eyes because he is pimping young boys to you people and you people are knocking him.
Careful no that ahụ Nigeria ide mma. Careful no that ahụ inwete change aha na egwu Nigeria. Upon Nigeria make the law, 10 years law. After ebe nwoke na nwoke ibe. But the Bobrisky na-eme publicly. And that man onye bụ nwoke change nwe to wine. Eme allow ya na-eme continuously. That shows that now all these politicians is sleeping with Bobrisky. In one way or the other. Oji secret. He will explode. He will tell the world the people that has been sleeping with him. Uplift your elephant on Mara. If you go up 99, mpake da maga bangwagia. Bobrisky should be arrested. Because now, unmotivated, these young boys these days, that the only way they can make money so easily is make it get on to wine. So many things are happening in this society. Bobrisky is bad example. Bobrisky bad example. That kind of person should be arrested. That kind of person should be arrested. Okay, when any moral value to the society. And when the trouble are committed to the society. But even with destruction. And they gave full media, gave full politicians, publishing kete. Some of them not hype here because all these personalities in some of them is sleeping with Bobrisky. Yeah, made the evil that kind of committee. I do go much. Bobrisky should be arrested.